Hello there guys, so sorry I didn't outro the last video. My friend with the blue minivan who rented the space before me came round and just checking through his car before his MOT. So yeah, sort of kind of forgot to outro it, sorry. My new door hinges have arrived, so there is one of the four. So these were £22 for the full set plus £4.50 or something for postage, and yeah, they've got new nuts, new studs welded in them, powder coated, and I think they've probably got new pins in them as well. So yeah, that's an absolute bargain. 22 quid for them. There was a listing on eBay. There's like they had multiple in stock, so yeah, that's impressive. It's not like it was just a one-off. They're selling at that price all the time, so that's fantastic. Very, very happy with those. So yeah, kind of losing a bit of enthusiasm with this purely because of the yellow Mini. It's last couple of days it's been an absolute pain. Today it took me over an hour to get here, when it's usually about a 20-minute trip. It just kept breaking down. It's absolutely doing my head in now. Last night the coil on it just died out the blue, so I had to put my spare coil on, which is also terrible. It's really getting it's really just killing my enthusiasm for minis at the moment. So yeah, there we go. So today we will get all the panels offered up again and get the door bolted on and sort of see where the doorpost, if the doorpost will be welded up exactly where it should be, as in these grooves on here. They, in theory, they should obviously line up with the grooves that on the doorpost, and it should sit there nice. But we'll just offer it all up, make sure. And if it does, then we'll just tack it on in a couple of places onto the air post, and then fit it all again, double check and everything, and get all the door gaps right, so that we can then trim off the appropriate amount off here and hopefully start getting it sort of welded in a bit. Yeah, we'll see how much of that we can actually get done today, because it is 4 o'clock. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I've spent ages just messing around with the other car. I've put the splash guard on off this actually as well, just to try and give it a better chance. So yeah, we'll do as much as we can today, but I'm probably only going to have a couple of hours before I can just, before I say I just can't be bothered with it anymore today. So enthusiasm is low, but there we go. Hopefully Zip will get us home and back here tomorrow in without breakdowns, and won't be feeling the lack of enthusiasm. Anyway, stop rambling on as I generally do. Oh, I don't think did I actually show? I did show you the door, didn't I, at the end of the last video? I think I did. So there's the door. Anyway, it's much lighter now without all the bits and bobs in it. Oh, I'm rambling on again, aren't I? Okay. So yeah, let's get the new hinges fitted to that door and get all the panels offered up again. Okay, so we got the new hinges on the door. It was not too difficult of a task, and sort of just been really trying to align everything up, but I'm still kind of none the wiser with how far up this is going to need to go and everything, because the door gaps just really don't want to cooperate. It's been a bit weird, but yeah, I've kind of lost the will to live for today, so yeah, we'll come back to it tomorrow with fresh mind and see what we can do, really. So I think I'm going to need to take a little bit more just off here, obviously not there where there's a gap, but a little bit off everywhere else around here, because the gap at the bottom is quite big between the door and the doorstep there. So I'm just sort of pull that up just a little bit, because obviously the sills currently aren't as high up as they should be, because since I've cut this off, look, there's a load of movement in it, so yeah, I've got to take that into consideration. So lifting it up a bit and there being a small gap to the current lip on the sill isn't an issue, because obviously we'll be getting new sills on it that will actually be lined up properly. So these are sort of just still here as a guide, really. We're not welding to any of this existing metal here, only at this end and that end for now. So yeah, I mean, I feel like I'm a little bit closer. I think tomorrow I'm ready to weld the hinge stiffener panel to the actual air post, or at least tack it on. But I need to drill all holes through the post first. But yeah, that's kind of that. So, it's yeah, short day. Sorry, but yeah, I had to spend ages fixing the other car, which obviously I didn't record or anything, and that sort of killed my motivation for today. Oh god, my tripod's collapsing. That's great. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Hopefully we'll get a bit more done. Bye for now. Okay, it doesn't look like you guys can really see much, but currently being just sat here at the side of the road listening to this incessant ping pong for the last hour. Freezing my arse off. Here's the temperature outside at the moment. Yep, fucking car's broken down again. So it fried a coil last night, and I fear it's probably done the same now, but I don't have another spare. So RAC could be at least another hour yet, so that's fun. I'm not going to be doing any more updates on this situation, I just thought I'd let you guys know. So yeah, this is fun. Oh look, there's a car going past. Thanks for helping. Could have said that to the last 100 that's been passed, but whatever. Yep, not very warm. Got my blanket, which you again can't see, which I only have in the car ready to put on the seat when I'm with my overalls or whatever, but it's keeping me a little bit warmer, so that's good. So yeah, fun stuff. Daily driving a Mini, so that was a good idea. Alright, bye again.